Hi everybody, I'm Rana, one of the owners of Rolling Stock SF, San Francisco's premier wheel and tire superstore. Today I want to talk about tire pressure, but first I want to talk about maintaining properly inflated tires because it's so easy to do and it has so many benefits for your safety and your wallet. First, low tire pressure can be dangerous. It can lead to decreased steering and braking control. Too little air also leads to excessive wear of your tires, and most people would rather spend a few $100s on anything but a new set of tires. Also, underinflated tires reduces your gas mileage, again, costing you money. Overinflated tires reduce the vehicle's contact patch with the road, which diminishes your traction and performance. You may be thinking, I have a TPMS system in my car, and it tells me when my tires are over or underinflated. Yes, that's true, it will. But the air pressure may be off by up to 25% before the light is triggered. That means it may not come on when your tires are over or underinflated by 5 to 10 psi. So those are some really good reasons to check your tire pressure regularly. So where can you find your manufacturer's recommended tire pressure? There's a couple places you can look. One of them is right inside your driver's door panel. Your tire pressure is the number with PSI after it. Another place to find the information is right inside of the fuel door. Or you can find the info by doing a quick Google search. Remember that you need to check your tire pressure when your tires are cool for an accurate reading. So check your tire pressure first thing in the morning or after your car has been sitting for about 3 hours. So let's go over how to check your tire pressure. You're gonna need a tire pressure gauge, which you can get at your local parts store or at a gas station on the air pump, or you can drop by and I'll give you one. On your tires, locate the valve stem and uncap it. Press the gauge nozzle onto the valve stem and then check the reading. Compare the reading to the recommended pressure. If it's lower, air up. If it's higher, take some air out. Check your tire pressure once a month to stay safe and save money. This is Rana from Rolling Stock. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Thanks for watching and have fun on the road.